Hey guys, welcome back to uGenesys, and in this video I'll be showing you this Forex Risk Calculator app that I've developed for the MT4 and MT5. Now this is very simple actually. It's a very simple tool for beginners to use and calculate the lot sizes that they should be using. Because as you know, different currency pairs, they have different values, and so their lot sizes and their risk values are going to be significantly different. So ADJPY would not have the same risk parameters or the lot size parameters like GBP CAD or GBP NZD, for example. It will always be different. All right. So, well, this account has $100,000 in it, and it shows that 1% risk at 50 pip stop loss is equal to 3 lot. Now, if we say we want to do 5%, it gives us 15 lots. All right, let's try to change the stop loss. Let's try to make it 10 pips. Hold on. Let's see. So 10 pips at 5%. At 5% risk is 75 lots. All right. So yeah, this tool, it saves you a lot of time, so you don't need to be calculating and you don't need to go to an external website to calculate this. So you can actually do this within your MT4 or MT5 terminal. All right. It also has other features. It allows you to move your stop loss to break even. It allows you to close 50%. You can close all the profit trades, all the loss trades, or just close everything. Right. The management section is very simple. It has a trailing stop loss, which allows you to walk away, basically. So if you have work, like many of us do, you can just enter your trades and turn this on. It will trail your stop loss for you. So yeah, it's very easy. It will show you the balance, your equity. It gives you everything right here. Now, the most important part, and this is the one that I like the most, is the equity protector, because it stops you from trading. Many, I'm not sure if many of you guys know, but sometimes the easiest way to make money in Forex is to not trade, right? So if you have something that can keep you out of the market, then you really should be happy about that. So for example, if your target for the week, if your profit target for the day is $500, once you hit $500 or more, it prevents you from trading until the next day. If your loss is 4,500 for the day, once you hit this number or more, then it stops you from trading. Okay? Same thing for your weekly equity protector. If your goal for the week is $1,000 and you hit it on a Monday, it will prevent you from trading until the next week. So you won't be able to trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, none of that. Okay? It's the same thing for loss. So this trade assistant, this trade manager is very good for beginners. It's very easy to use. It doesn't make your MT4 or MT5 slow. It's just very simple and easy to use for beginners. All right. So the link to purchase this is in the description of this video. And if you have any questions, you can always reach out to me. All right. Take care, guys. Bye.